Hello, everyone. Welcome to this last presentation of this two-day conference. I think we've had something around 30 presentations so far, or thereabouts. And this last one is really an interesting one because Nantero has been building its technology for over 20 years now. And in doing so, they've raised, I think, something around, correct me, Rahul, something around $130 million.
More than that.
More than that, yeah, there you go. And it's really a beautiful sort of technology, a very novel memory with fantastic properties based on carbon nanotubes. So this is the story of this last presentation. I really hope you enjoy it. And Rahul, you have to reshare your slides because you went out of slide sharing mode. So
Yeah, it says that I don't have permission to share.
you do. So just try and toggle the thing again.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the introduction. So today I'm going to talk about a journey of taking a new material like carbon nanotube from early stage lab work to a full-fledged fab integration. The outline of my presentation is as follows. First, I'll give an introduction to Nantero, and I will talk about Nantero's core carbon nanotube memory technology, which is known as NRAM. And then I'll go into the integration of carbon nanotubes into semiconductor foundries and what were the main hurdles that were there in order to introduce this new material into the semiconductor foundry and how we at Nantero overcame those hurdles. And finally, I'll talk about the key aspects of this fab compatible CNT material that we developed over the years, and this material is installed in several fabs around the world. And this materials technology platform can be used to develop different kind of products. We are focused on the NRAM memory, but it can this can also be used for developing other CNT based electronic products in a manufacturing setting. So with that outline, let me jump into my presentation. Uh, Nantero was founded in 2001, and the goal was to commercialize carbon nanotube semiconductor technology. And the original concept of using a carbon nanotube as a random access memory was developed by Dr. Tom Ruckus at Harvard in 1999, and then he founded the company in 2001. And over a 20-year period, we have more than 300 million in invested capital and have installed our technology in 12 fabs around the world. The key the key feature of our technology is that this our technology is compatible with 300 millimeter fabs, and there's no special tooling that is required in order to fabricate our CNT based carbon nanotube based NRAM device. And I'm also happy to announce that this year we started a national project in Japan. This was funded by the Japanese government with several Japanese companies and universities involved. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about this Japan national project in the later slide. But this was a good endorsement of our technology by a government. So what is NRAM? NRAM, or non-volatile random access memory, is actually a memory device uh, that is based on a carbon nanotube fabric, which is sandwiched between two metal electrodes, and the carbon nanotube fabric forms the resistance change element. And this memory is as fast as DRAM and can be denser than DRAM uh, if you build it in a cross-point geometry. And unlike DRAM, which is a volatile memory, the carbon nanotube based memory is non-volatile. So it has the advantages of DRAM and as well as non-volatility. So it has a very good technology, very attractive technology. And we are targeting data center applications amongst other things. But the key thing that I'm going to talk about in this presentation is that in order to develop this NRAM product, we introduced an entirely new chemistry into commercial semiconductor fabrication process. This new chemistry, which is based on carbon nanotubes, was not